We are Embracelet, and today we discuss why the rainforest is important. Tropical rainforests are characterized by warm and very humid climate. They are notable for their particularly high species diversity, from reptiles, fish, birds, mammals to trees and grasses. All are unique and depend on this extraordinary ecosystem. The rainforest occupies 7% of the Earth's landmass and is home to 90% of all animal and plant species. If we were to lose this ecosystem, it would be catastrophic, not only for the animals but also for us humans. According to the United Nations Forum of Forests, the rainforest is responsible for 40% of the oxygen in the air. The situation is getting worse and worse. About 200 years ago, around 60 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface were covered with tropical rainforest. Today, it is estimated that there are only about 7 million square kilometers left. More than half of this stock has been destroyed, most of it in the last 30 years. The rainforest is being destroyed, be it because of the arable land for corn or palm oil, or for cattle breeding, which is justified by our increased meat consumption. Between 2010 and 2015, just over 6 million hectares of natural forests were lost every year in the tropics. Each year, around 9 million hectares of tropical forests are lost worldwide, the equivalent of the area of Portugal. In 2018, there were even 12 million hectares of tropical forest destroyed. More than a quarter of all trees worldwide grow in tropical rainforests. If the habitat is destroyed, biodiversity and thus the variety of species will decrease immensely. Over the years, more and more animals become extinct, especially the amphibians, which feel at home in the rainforests of our Earth. The extinction has several reasons, but one of the main reasons is the clearing of the rainforest, especially the clearing of the Amazon, the largest of our rainforests in Brazil. If the rainforest will continue to be destroyed and the last 28,000 square kilometers per year will be lost, as was the average over the past 10 years, in this scenario 10.3% of vertebrate species will become extinct by 2050, with a further 26.9% at risk. The forest is interrupted by grazing land used for agriculture or abandoned pastures. The resulting forest islands lead to species impoverishment. Since 2010, the Association of the Regenwald der Österreicher supports the tropical station La Gamba in the implementation of the COBIGA project, Corredor Biológico de La Gamba, with the following objectives: the maintenance of biodiversity by connecting isolated forest areas, the reduction of the greenhouse gas CO2 through long-term binding in biomass. The protected areas are still home to many animals that are on the IUCN and CETES lists of endangered species: jaguars, ocelots, pumas, 3 species of monkeys, rare birds, tapirs, armadillos, and numerous reptiles and amphibians. We, Embracelet, want to help. That's why we donate 50% of our profit to the Regenwald der Österreicher. Be part of our Embracelet family, because the future is on your wrist.